Okay, Mom, this is what it's like living in the country. This is my driveway. And I am not really even at the top of my driveway. I'm at the back of my car right now, so you can see how long and steep the driveway is. Right? Okay. So here we go. This is what the cats do at night. Chase, Minnie, what are you doing? And there's Romeo on the log. And this is all the debris. This is what I use for a bathroom. This is my bathroom's in there. I'll show you where my bathroom is. This is what the underneath portion of the house looks like. The mobile home, I should say. Here you go. This is my bathroom. They were nice enough to cover the window. This is what it looks like inside these days. The cats are having fun. This is what they took out of the mobile home. And here I walk up these stairs at night to do a pee-pee and a wee-wee. Oh, and look, it's Jessie. They think that this is home. And this is what a demolished mobile home looks like. How do you like that? How's that for a bay window? And here is my natural spring. You can see how wet it is there. Oh, hi, Marco. Oh, that's Kelly. So I've got a natural spring here. That's why it's so wet. It's coming right up there. Here's an old piano. And that's where my wood is stacked in the back. That's the village down below. Here, let's go down here. Okay, here's the mess. So that's the village down below. Oh, there's Venus running across where she shouldn't be. There's Polly Wally, Apollo. What you doing back here, boy? There they are going underneath the mobile home, which is not appealing. See, there's the village down there. But here is all my firewood. And Don, the handyman, started tearing apart the roof of the pavilion. And the roof is disgusting. So here's where all my stuff is, or some of my stuff. And here is the roof being torn down. What do you think of that? Huh? How about that? Or that? How about that? Nice, eh? It's fun living here. I'm having so much fun. Well, so much fun I can't even begin to tell you. So, there's the firewood. Is that beautiful or what? And this is a bell. It must be the dinner bell. I told them that when I put it back up, it'll be the snake bell. Every time I see a snake, I'm going to ring it and run. What are you doing under the mobile home, Venus? Venus. I'm going to show Grandma. She's not going to be happy. You better get out of there. Okay, so here's some more. This is a sycamore tree. And look at how big this is. This is big enough for anybody's tushy. So I'm keeping that as a seed. This is scrap metal. This is the lovely demolished mobile home. Rotted. Noah! Show Grandma what you're doing, Noah. Show her. Yeah, that's right. Chop, chop. Go back in there. You know you're not supposed to be out here. Chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. And there's Chase. Don't touch it, Chase. It's dirty. And there's Amber. Amber, say hi to Grandma. Tell her how pissed you are at me and you're ignoring me. That's okay. You can ignore me all you want. I still feed you. And here is where the cats are living. This is a pod. It's metal. There's the garage in the back. There are some cat houses. There's Toby. And this is their lovely residence. There's my coffee pot, a fan, litter boxes, beds, my car. Isn't that lovely? And here is my forest. And we have an intruder cat, that white one I named Ponytail because his tail's black. But that's enough for now.